At this point, shall we please rise for the national anthem?
Let Dr. Kwali. My speech today is not going to take your time because you've just told me you have a very important meeting with Mr. President. But indeed, we welcome you. We appreciate all the security agencies in Kwali Area Council. We have a lot of challenges security-wise, sir. And that is why we are here today to tell you most of the challenges we are facing in Kwali Area Council. Indeed, we have challenges because of the hill surrounding Kwali here. There are some bad roads that these bad people always use to go and pick our people. That is the road from Yebu, from Kweta to Kwaku. That is the road that these bad people are using to pick our people because the road is not motorable. If you are to go to Yebu from here today, our senator is here. It will take you another 4 hours. And it's still part of Kwali Area Council. It will take you 4 hours before you get to that place. The road is bad. Please, can you come to our aid on that aspect? Because if that road is put in place, we will be able to chase these bad people. These are the areas they go because it's not motorable. On that note, the service chiefs, the security agencies have been very, very dear to us, particularly the Director of DSS and the CP, Commissioner of Police, and the Army. I have built an outlet for the Army here. If you just walk within 5 minutes, you will get to see where I have done, so that we can bring more Army in this place. On that road from Yevu to Kwaku, we have a very virgin land there. We are appealing to the FCT government to send one of these outposts to that place so that let the Army remain there. I bet you this will chase these bad people away because most of the time we use motorcycle to chase them away. It's because the road is not motorable, and we have been doing our best to make sure that we chase them out of this community. We are using motorcycle, and the local vigilante are helping us seriously. I will not forget making a request concerning our road that also link the express behind the town, inside the town, from police stations to the express. That is another bad road that these people are tormenting on it. Sir, we will write to your office because it's ongoing project for FCDA, but the contractor have abandoned it, and these bad people are staying there to torment our people. And our stadium in Kwali, the stadium has become their hideout. I have tried all I could to make sure that this place is being tackled, but that project is an FCDA project which I will not be able to handle. I will write a reminder to you. Mr. Honorable Minister, sir, it will interest you to know that Kwali is one of the area council, out of the 6 area council, that we have experienced a very high number of kidnapping issues in FCT. That I can tell you because of our terrain, especially villages like Bukbe, Yeuti, Axis. These are villages that they have been killing our people day in, day out. Sir, it's because of the network of the road. We want you to come to our aid and help us. If we have motorcycle, it will go a long way. I have bought number of motorcycle to this local vigilante uncountable. But sir, I need your intervention, sir. Can you come and help me so that we will have more motorcycles to this local vigilante so that we can chase them away from this our community? We are here today to discuss insecurity. If it was another issue, in fact, I want to tell you that Kwali is a home that you can be proud of. Whatever you are looking for in FCT is in Kwali here. We will give it to you. That I can assure you. So on that note, sir, I still want to appeal to you, sir. We need more outposts, police station in Wako, particularly Wako community. This is a village that is growing day in, day out. These bad people come from far north and settle there. Buy these bad drugs in that place. So if the police presence is felt there, it will chase them away, and that will do good for us. We are appealing for additional outposts in Wako particularly. Having said that, sir, we have our last challenge. The road ready from Pei to Gomini, that is another axis. Wherever they discover that the road is not good, that is where they want to always go and hide and torment our people in that axis. It's just the road network. If not, so for now, our people are prepared to chase them to wherever they are. So that is one of our challenge, the Pei and Kundu axis route. That will do us good. And having said that, sir, I'm happy that my mom is here today. Insecurity issue is a collective decision. Security matter is not one person's show. We can discover that these our loyal chiefs, I have charged them to be up and be in their various community to make sure that we get vital information to bring to the authority and the service chief, and that has been helping us, sir. So we want to see that how we can encourage these local chiefs so that more information from their locals, it will take to us. The road that leads from this Ija Junction to Kwaku axis, because the place has a very thick forest. If you catch somebody from Kuje axis, you can move down to Nasarawa without even going to the expressway. They have their network there. Our people have identified that place. We just need a small push so that we can pursue them to that place. That has been one of our challenge. I will not bug you much because of your important assignment up here. I will end my speech by thanking you for coming and by finding time to come. Our last issue in Kwali. Sir, I'm not too old, but you can see I'm bringing white hairs. It's because of the pressure of leadership that I'm facing. We lost our chief about 1 year ago. Kwali, we don't have a chief. That has become a serious problem in this community. Kwali people, am I speaking your mind? Is that the challenge we are having? All the kingmakers, all the traditional rulers, the kingmakers in Kwali, with the help of our brother here, Right Senator Philip Tenimu Aduda, we have finished everything. We are just waiting for the approval so that you will come and give us the staff of office together with our brother, the Serikin Pei. He has not been given staff of office, and they are waiting patiently so that together we can now join and do this. Sir, can you please, I'm on my knee, please, Kwali issue, I'm tired. I'm too small that Kwali can stay for good 1 year without a parliament ruler. I don't know what is the problem. I have written my forwarding letter. I have signed what the kingmaker gave me. I have submitted it. I don't know who is holding our letter. We are appealing to this administration to please wipe my tears so that together we can do this. Because without the chief, we will not be able to achieve something. That has been our challenge. Thank you, and God bless us all.
I don't want to touch much of it. Having listened to your interactive session yesterday with the media, you have already proposed some of the solutions that we are already going to see. So I'm not going to talk about that too. First, I think we need to commend you for organizing this town hall meeting to address the issue of security. Now, this has given us the assurance that we can sleep while the authority is doing everything possible to secure the entire citizens of the FCT. I think that is also commendable. I think we can also move it a step further by also organizing this kind of town hall to look at the projects and programs you have for us in the FCT. Probably after the passage of your budget, FCT agencies can come to the town hall and tell us exactly what they have to do for us in the FCT. And at the end of the year, we can come back again and sit down and look at what has been achieved, what has not been achieved, because the informations are basically dishing out to us are not really correct, but when we get it from the relevant FCT agencies, I think we'll be better off. And that is to say, we have to commend you for devising a lot of means of generating more revenues for the FCT, because some of the issues that are being raised are basically tied down to revenues coming to the FCT so that we can execute this project. And with the bold step of trying to find additional source of revenue to augment the federal allocation, I think is much commendable. We are going to stand by you and support you so that FCT can generate more revenue so that you can be able to execute these projects that we're all yearning for. I think that is also very, very important. So, for the traditional rulers in the Kwali Area Council, we are going to assure you of our commitment to provide the necessary information to our security agencies so that they can tackle the matters as they arise, because information is key, and we have informed our citizens. Any information you give us is going to be very, very secret so that we can also pass the information to security agencies. We know where they are staying, we know their routes, and our vigilantes are also very willing. All the chairman has said is they also need support so that they can provide the cover for under the police protection. So these are things that I think when we do it, we can move forward and then begin to deliver the dividends of democracy to our citizens. Honorable Minister, sir, we want to thank you once again for finding time to visit us and give us all the necessary assurance. Like I said, all our chiefs that are here are willing and law-abiding to support you so that you can achieve on your mandate, because your success is what we desire, so that we can sleep with our eyes closed and then wake up and then begin to do our daily activities. On behalf of all the teaming people of Kwali Area Council, the traditional institution, we want to say thank you, God bless you, and wish to see you more so that we can also discuss further on FCT issues. Thank you.